Hi everybody, hope you all guys are doing awesome. In today's video, we are gonna learning about text area, and text area is basically a tag, and text we are using text area inside of forms, and we can use wherever we can, but mainly we are using inside of a form. This is our old form, remember? Open with live server. Let me show you. This thing is text area. Break row, and let me show you. Now, this thing is text area. If you see the bio, and you guys will see this kind of thing, it's basically text area. In here, if we put something like hello, now you can see hello is appear. Now, let me show you what is placeholder. For example, if I come to the name, and in here, if I put placeholder, it's visible till we not put any text inside of any input. Let me show you. If I write here, enter your name, and if you guys see in here, enter your name, if I put anything, the enter your name is just removed. All right, now let me show you placeholder inside of email. Placeholder and email is your email. You guys can see it's showing in here. All right, that's it for now for today's video. I think that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe.